let's get this van set up for camping mode. First things first, the bug nets have to come down because I already see a bee roaming around and I really don't want to deal with that or any bugs. Whew. You know, I was running away from the cold, and be careful what you wish for because now it's really hot out here in the desert. The sun is beating right on top of the van, so there's no shade around the van. The batteries are definitely topped off and will be topped off as long as I'm here. I've noticed a few wind gusts, so I'm not gonna try to put the awning up because it's just gonna fly off. Hence, I'm gonna stay in the van for a little bit. I think I'm gonna just start making some food because it is lunchtime. Wait for that shade to come in, which I know it's gonna be on this side of the van whenever the sun goes on that side, obviously. Well, I'll be the first to admit, I think I might have gone a little bit overboard with the salad. But, you know, I'm looking in the fridge and I'm looking at, oh, I have this, I can add this, and I can add that, and I can add blue cheese. Let's give this a taste. This is salad supreme. got a lot of flavor. It has a little bit of a kick from the shallots, and then the lime never disappoints. It just kind of cuts it a bit, and with the olive oil, and everything is good. And I'm gonna enjoy this really quick, and then I'll show you guys around the area. I've been here before, but it's a different camp spot, so I figured, why not? Dishes are done. The sun has moved on this side of the van, which is awesome. And I'm gonna let it do its own thing and dry the dishes for me, since I'm not using this area that much anyway. Van life tip? Maybe? Probably not, everybody knows that. Hi. So since the sun has moved on this side, I just put the reflectors on this side of the van because I want to give the fridge a little break from running all the time. That's pretty much it. Plus, it provides some sort of privacy from other people coming down, but there's not a lot of people here, so I'm not really worried about that since this whole window's uncovered. What do you say I show you around? I gotta be careful to close this really quickly because there's a bunch of flies flying around. That's what flies do. And being annoying. One, I have to tell you, it's very incredible out here. Two, might be a little bit windy. I didn't set up the microphone because just too much gear. But I have my chair set up here, stupid flies. And well, obviously my side doors are open because I need airflow. This is a fire ring provided by San Diego. They just want to make sure we use these and don't make our own, like the one over there. Looks like somebody's dog just passed away and they probably buried it here. It seems like he likes rocks, so here's one for you, Mac.